Tired of photos that just don't pop? Today we're throwing two heavy hitters into the ring: Topaz AI and Luminar Neo, battling it out for the crown of best AI-powered photo enhancer. First up, Topaz AI. Its strength lies in its laser focus on denoising and sharpening. The autopilot feature analyzes your image, automatically detecting and applying the necessary adjustments. Watch as it identifies noise levels, estimates the amount of sharpening needed, and corrects the image with minimal input from your side. But don't worry, you're not completely hands-off. Topaz AI provides granular controls. If the autopilot misses something, you can fine-tune the noise reduction, sharpening, and even face recovery manually using the intuitive sliders. Now let's jump into Luminar Neo. Neo takes a broader approach to AI enhancement. Its Enhance AI tool intelligently adjusts various aspects of your image, including tone, detail, and color, all with a single slider. However, Luminar Neo's AI doesn't stop there. You get access to a suite of AI-powered tools such as sky replacement, which seamlessly replaces the sky in your photos, portrait background removal that isolates your subjects, and Relight AI, which allows you to adjust the lighting in your photos as if they were taken in a studio. So, which one wins? Topaz AI excels at technically cleaning up images, eliminating noise, and restoring sharpness. Luminar Neo offers a more creative and versatile AI toolkit, capable of more dramatic transformations. If you need pure, unadulterated noise and sharpness fix, then go for Topaz AI. But if you want more creative options, Luminar Neo is the way to go. The best choice depends on your specific needs. Check the links in the description to download trials of both programs and see which one fits best into your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments which AI tool you prefer.